The Secret of the Blue Bird. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a small village hidden among lush green forests. Everyone in this village lived happily, but Can, the most curious child, always longed to discover more. One day, his elderly grandmother said to him, "Deep in the forest, there lives a blue bird that no one has ever seen. Whoever finds it will learn the greatest secret of their life." Hearing this story, Can was thrilled and decided to find the blue bird. At the break of dawn, he set off, passing through dense trees and crossing rivers. Eventually, he arrived at the shore of a magical lake, and there, sitting on a stone that shimmered like gold, was the blue bird. Excited, Can called out, "Oh, beautiful bird, will you tell me your secret?" The bluebird gently tilted its head and replied, "True magic does not lie outside, but within you. Your courage, curiosity, and kindness have brought you here. That is the greatest secret of all." At that moment, Can realized that the key was not just to explore, but also to believe in his own inner strength. Happiness and wisdom had been within his heart all along. So he returned to his village and shared this secret with everyone. From that day on, no one in the village was afraid to chase their dreams. And so the story came to an end. 3 apples fell from the sky, one for the storyteller, one for the listener, and one for those who carry courage in their hearts.